Hello everyone, welcome to Meals with Sue. When I moved to Houston many years ago, I found these uncooked shell peanuts in bags in the grocery stores. Let me explain that these shell peanuts are uncooked or known as green peanuts. Of course, the color is not green but light brown. I was totally blown away that I could find this ingredient here. I have to admit that it is so easy to find ingredients, fruits, spices, and herbs here compared to many countries with temperate climates. Boiling these peanuts used to take hours, sometimes 4 to 6 hours. However, with the Instant Pot, the cooking time can be significantly reduced to only 40 minutes. First, rinse the uncooked shell peanuts. Then in the Instant Pot, put in 5 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, and 3 tablespoons of sugar. Please add more salt and sugar if desired because I have to admit this recipe is light on salt and sugar. The turmeric powder is to give a little tinge of yellow to these peanuts. Add all the seasoning into the water and then put in the uncooked peanut. Now the best part is to press the function pressure cooked for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, open the lid, release the steam and then check on these snacks. Stir this snack to make sure the heat is evenly distributed. At this point, I will try 1 or 2 of the peanuts and make sure you let it cool down first. This taste test is to find out how much longer you will need to add time for another session of pressure cook. For my first batch, I added 15 more minutes to the pressure cook function. Now, as you don't want to overcook and make it too mushy, after that taste test, decide on either 10 minutes or 15 minutes. This was one of my childhood snacks. While researching this recipe, I found out that peanuts boiled in salt water is also a traditional southern snack. Even better, the boiling process significantly increases the antioxidants benefit. Quoting a medical study, boiled peanuts have nearly 4 times the number of antioxidants found in other types of peanuts. This is due to the shell releasing these nutrients through the boiling process. Among the benefits of this snack is a great source of vitamins including niacin, magnesium, and phosphorus. Boiling peanuts in the Instant Pot helps you to prepare this irresistible snack in so little time. How about making this finger-licking snack soon? Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to watch more great recipes. See you again in my next video. Bye.